Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making a shelf. In our little house we had a really small narrow spot, so this works out perfectly. It's really cute and super simple to make, so stick around and we'll make this right now. This is a 1/4-inch diamond bit, and we're just going to use it now to drill into the tile. Izzy, you should be careful, buddy.
Diamond bit. What is that?
And once you get your pilot hole in there, okay, we got.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Ah.
All right. So we have 4 of them in there, and then eventually we're just gonna pop them and make them flush to the wall, to the tile. And so I still have to grout this tonight. We'll do that later, okay? Thanks for your help.